Welcome to Qredo. This video is part of a series of product guides and continues from creating an organization account. In that video, we created an organization account, switched to it, and added a single member to our organization, Mayumi Sato. We can check if members have approved their invitations to join our organization by viewing the Settings and Members and Roles tab. If we scroll across, we can see that Mayumi has approved membership of our organisation and is allocated as an administrator. This means we can add her as a member to our fund. So here's how to create a fund. From the landing page, let's click Create Fund. And we are now guided through a 6-step process. First, we allocate a name to our fund, a description and a colour theme, and click Continue. Next, we can add members already in our organisation to the fund and assign them as a fund manager, trader, or both. Roles cannot exceed the permissions defined by their role within the overall organisation. Let's add Mayumi as a trader. This way, she has the right to initiate transactions, swaps, and withdrawals. As the creator of the account, Izumi is allocated to the fund manager role by default. As a fund manager, he has the right to add and remove members to the fund. If we click Continue, we have the opportunity to set our default transaction custody policy. This details who can authorize transactions and how many authorizations are required by custodians. We can set our custodians as Izumi and Mayumi and require one of 2 authorizations to meet the threshold. If we continue to the next screen, we can choose a different withdrawal policy or simply adopt the default transaction policy. We're going to adopt the default transaction policy and select Continue. We can now add the assets we want to add to our fund and assign wallets for each asset. We can see what assets are available from this drop-down, and selecting Bitcoin, we give our wallet a name and select a wallet type. In this case, we're choosing standard, and other wallet types are designed for use with third parties. We'll cover those in more detail in a separate video. We select to inherit the same custody policies as we set at fund level for both transactions and withdrawals. We click to create a wallet and we can see our Bitcoin wallet has been created. Let's now add Ethereum, give our wallet a name and select a standard wallet type. This time we'll select to inherit the same transaction policy but set a custom withdrawal policy. Our withdrawal policy will set a threshold of 2 authorizations required by both Izumi and Mayumi. If we click to create a wallet, then that one is created. Now we're going to add USDT testnet. We're going to give our wallet a name and again select a standard wallet, but this time we're going to set a custom transaction policy and inherit our withdrawal policy. We're just going to set Izumi as the sole custodian for approving transactions and create that wallet. We can now click Continue to review our fund, assets and their wallets and make adjustments if necessary. Let's click to confirm and create our fund named Apollo. Takes a few moments to be created. And there we have our newly created fund on the holdings page. We can now view the assets in our fund at a glance, members of the fund and their roles, and the custody policies we just set. That completes the Create a Fund video guide. Why not find out more about what you can do on the Qredo Network by watching other product guides in this series, or visit the Qredo website at qredo.com.